Hey everyone, welcome to this complete series on multi-agent systems with Agno. I am Akshay, and over the past year, I have been building production-grade multi-agent systems, from manufacturing orchestrating platform handling 40 plus agents to content automation pipelines serving real businesses. And in this series, I'm going to teach you everything from absolute scratch. No AI background needed, no machine learning degree required. Just bring your curiosity and willingness to learn. Today, we are starting with the fundamentals. What exactly are AI agents? What makes them different from regular chatbots? And why is everyone talking about multi agent systems? By the end of this 8-minute video, you will understand these core concepts and be ready to build your own agents in the next video. Let's dive in. So, what is an AI agent? Let me explain this in the simplest way possible. Think about ChatGPT or Claude. You ask a question, they give you an answer. That's amazing, but they can't actually do anything beyond talking to you, right? And AI agent is different. It's AI with hands. It's AI that can take real world actions. An agent can understand your request. It processes natural language just like a chatbot, figuring out what you actually want. Make decisions autonomously. It evaluates different options and chooses the best course of action without you having to micromanage every step. Take actions. This is the key difference. It can execute tasks using tools and integrations. It can call APIs, query databases, send emails, fetch weather data, manipulate files, whatever tools you give it access to. Deliver results. It returns outcomes and feedback based on what it actually accomplished. Let me show you the difference with a concrete example. Here's the difference in action. Let's say you ask about the weather. A chatbot might say the weather is usually sunny this time of year in your area. That's based on regional knowledge. It's a guess, it's a passive advice. But an agent says, I checked the weather API. It's currently 22 degrees Celsius and sunny in London. See the difference. The agent actually went and fetched real-time data. It took an action, it called an API, it gave you current accurate information. Chatbots give advice, agents get things done. That's the fundamental difference. Now, let's break down what every agent is made of. These are the three essential components. The brain. This is the underlying AI model. GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, whatever LLM you choose. This powers the reasoning, the language understanding, the intelligence. The tools. These are the actions the agent can perform, whether APIs, database queries, email sending, web scraping, file operations, any external service your agent needs to interact with. The tools are what give your agent its hands. The instructions. This is the system prompt that defines your agent's personality, its goals, its constraints, how it behaves. Think of this as the agent's job description. It shapes how the agent approaches problems and interacts with users. Brain, tools, instructions. That's it. Master these three components and you can build any agent you want. We'll be working with all three throughout this series. All right, now here's where it gets really interesting. You can build one agent that does everything, or you can build a team of specialized agents. Let me explain both approaches. The single agent approach, one generalist handling everything. It's a jack of all trades, master of none. The advantage? It's simpler to set up and maintain. It's good for straightforward tasks, but the downside is it can become overwhelmed with complexity. The multi-agent approach. Specialists collaborating on complex workflows. Each agent is an expert focused on a specific domain. This gives you higher quality through specialization. It scales to handle sophisticated problems. This is how you build production grade systems. Let me show you this with a real example. Let's say you need to create a blog post. Here's how a single agent would handle it. One agent tries to do everything: research the topic, write the article, edit and refine the copy, optimize for SEO, create social media posts. This is like asking one person to be a researcher, writer, editor, SEO expert, and social media manager all at once. Does it work? Sure, for simple content. But the quality often suffers because no single component gets focused attention. The agent is spread too thin. Now, here's the multi-agent approach. Instead of one overwhelmed agent, we have a team of specialists. The researcher gathers comprehensive data and insights. That's all it does. And it does it really well. Then it passes the information to the writer who crafts compelling content. The writer focuses purely on creating engaging narratives. Next, the editor refines and polishes the prose. It's checking grammar, improving readability, making it flow. Then the SEO specialist optimizes for discoverability, keywords, descriptions, all the search engine optimization. Finally, the social media agent creates engaging promotional content for different platforms. Each agent focuses on what it does best. They work like a real team. The research agent isn't worried about SEO, it just gathers great information. The writer isn't concerned with social media, it just writes compelling content. The result, high quality output and more efficient workflows. This is the power of specialization. So, when should you use each approach? Let me give you clear guidelines. Use single agent when you have simple, straightforward tasks. Speed matters more than quality. You're prototyping or just learning. The project has limited scope and clear requirements. Use a multi-agent team when you have complex multi-step workflows. You are building production systems for real users. Quality is paramount and output must be reliable. You need scalable solutions that can grow and adapt. As you go through this series, you will get comfortable with both. We'll start with single agents to learn the basics, then graduate to multi-agent teams for sophisticated projects. Let me show you three real-world multi-agent systems. These aren't theoretical. These patterns are used in production right now. Customer support system. And email arrives, the triage agent reads it and categorizes. Is this urgent? Is it a common question? Is it spam? Then the support agent handles common questions and provides supports from the knowledge base. If it's too complex, the escalation agent routes it to the right human expert. Finally, the follow-up agent checks back to ensure the customer is satisfied. Each specialist handles this domain expertly. No single agent trying to do everything. Now, content creation pipeline. The research agent gathers the latest information on a topic. The writing agent creates the first draft with that information. The fast checker agent verifies all claims, making sure we are accurate. The editor agent improves readability and polish. And the SEO agent optimizes for search engines. Quality through specialization, each step handled by an expert. Then let's see data analysis team. This is similar to what I have built for manufacturing. The collection agent imports data from multiple sources. The analysis agent processes the data and finds patterns. The report agent generates human readable insights. And the alert agent notifies stakeholders when something needs attention. These are real patterns you will use. By video 10, you will have built variations of all three of these systems yourself. So, what exactly will we build throughout this series? Let me give you the roadmap. In video 2 and 3, we will create your first working agent with tools. You will see it respond to requests in real time. Video 5 and 4 and 5, we will build a blog writing team, a multi-agent system that researches, writes, and optimizes content automatically. Video 6, we deploy a three-agent email assistant that handles tries and responses. Video 7 and 8, we add sophisticated memory and intelligence capabilities to make your agent smarter. Video 9, we implement error handling and make everything production ready and reliable. And in video 10, we create an advanced social media content team that pulls everything together. We'll use Python, which is beginner friendly, the Agno framework, which is simple but powerful, and OpenAI APIs, though you can use any LLM you prefer. No AI background required, no machine learning degree. Just follow along, write code with me, and by the end, you will be building production ready multi agent systems. All right, let's quickly recap what we learned today. AI agents are AI systems that can take actions, not just chat. They have hands, they can do things. Multi agent systems use specialized agents working as a team. Each agent is an expert in one domain. They are being used in real production systems right now customer support, content creation, data analysis, and more. We are going to build several of them together over the next 9 videos. These concepts are foundational. Everything we build will be based on what we covered today. In the next video, we are getting hands-on immediately. I'll show you how to install Agno, set up your development environment, and create your very first AI agent in just 5 lines of code. You will see it come to life. You'll interact with it. You will give it tools and watch it use them. It's going to be exciting. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the series. Drop a comment below telling me what kind of multi-agent system you want to build. Are you interested in customer support, content creation, data analysis, something completely different? I'll genuinely love to hear your ideas. Some of you might even inspire future videos. All the code for every video will be available on GitHub. The link is in the description below. All right, I'll see you next video where we write our first agent and bring it to life. This is going to be fun. Let's go.